is the first time that the Blue Diamond Group will have exhibited at RHS Chelsea Flower Show, and we're thrilled to be able to do so. Although not unfamiliar with RHS flower shows, Blue Diamond having exhibited regularly at RHS Hampton Court and RHS Tatton, this is very much new territory for the group. Blue Diamond is one of the largest garden centre groups in the UK and Channel Islands, with over 37 garden centres to date. We'll be working alongside multi-medal winning Ross Conquest and the team at Conquest Creative Spaces to bring this garden to life. We have therefore designed and will be creating an artisan garden called the Blue Diamond Forge Garden. This is a collaborative design by the team at Blue Diamond. The inspiration for the Blue Diamond Forge Garden is taken from a National Trust forge in Branscombe in Devon. This is thought to be the oldest working forge and still continues to operate today. Simon Hall is the current resident blacksmith at that forge, and he is designing and creating bespoke artisan products for us to use in our garden at Chelsea. He will also be working on our forge garden on Press Day. This is a really lovely and authentic link between our forge garden and the actual forge we've taken inspiration from. The key features in our garden will include a thatched roofed forge. The original forge in Branscombe also has a thatched roof. Our forge will be built from natural materials and will contain art and artefacts from previous blacksmiths who would have worked in the forge. Examples of the current blacksmith's work will also feature in our garden. The current blacksmith is very much an artist blacksmith who takes inspiration from the natural surroundings, which is then represented in his work. There will be a surrounding stone wall. Along with the forge, this would have provided much needed protection from the elements whilst the blacksmith worked. There will also be a stream running through our garden which will provide the blacksmith with water.
The forge garden has a blend of planting that includes the practical and functional, with links to the life of the resident blacksmith through the ages, in a natural setting and including herbs and medicinal plants to help with the ailments of working at the forge. Plants like lungwort and pulmonaria have long been used to treat lung conditions, chamomile to help treat wounds. The planting is also a reflection of the working forge, with warm red and orange colours in Helenium, Procosmia and Rudbeckia that represent the embers and flame. The darker foliage lines like Anthriscus, Actaea and Geranium, the iron and soot that comes after the flame.